Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix if you cannot add DNS records to your GoDaddy domain. Alright, so if you have a domain that is registered on GoDaddy, you might want to change or add DNS records to that domain. But if you go to DNS here, you can see that I cannot add a new record. I cannot see the current record. Why is that and how you can fix this? The reason is that we are not using the default name servers for GoDaddy. So this can happen if you, for instance, move your GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare, and in which case you have to change the DNS records there. If this is something you want to still do in GoDaddy, you have to change the name servers back to the default GoDaddy name servers, and then you're going to be able to change and add new DNS records to your GoDaddy domain. So before I will show you how you can use the default name servers, how we can go to this domain DNS record section. So all we have to do is just open up godaddy.com, sign in into your account, then click on your account name and select My Products. Then on this dashboard, which will open up, we have to click on My Account, then select Domains, which will open up our domain portfolio, and we have to select the domain we want to fix this issue for. So changing the domain name servers to the default GoDaddy name servers. So then select DNS and select name servers here. So as you can see, we are currently using these DreamHost name servers, which is great. You can use them, but in this case, you have to change the name servers. You can still do that, but in that case, you have to change the DNS records there. If you want to manage these here, what you have to do is click on change name servers and select GoDaddy name servers, and these will be the default name servers. So click on save, confirm this, and now if we go to the DNS records, we still cannot add DNS records. You might have to wait a couple of seconds or a minute, or you can just refresh the page. Let's try that. Click on DNS, and now as you can see, you can add the new records. You can see the current record and change them if we want. So now this is how you can fix if you cannot add a DNS record to your GoDaddy domain.